All right, so we're looking at some of the properties that water has. Uh, Cohesion and adhesion, they kind of go together. And I always like this picture here, cohesion. We have water sticking to itself. We just talked about hydrogen bonds and the reason why water sticks to itself. Well, the name for that is cohesion. Well, in addition to sticking to itself, water also sticks to anything else that is polar, meaning it has a partial negative or partial positive, or for that matter, a full positive or full negative charge. So when it sticks to other things other than water, it's called adhesion. Now, one of my favorite things about water and about adhesion and cohesion is how plants move water up against gravity. So when you think about it, it's kind of unique that they do that. Pretty much all animals, we take water in from the top and let gravity do the work and pulling it down through our digestive tract. But plants bring water in from the roots, down at the bottom, down at the base, and bring the water all the way up through the entire plant. You've seen some trees, they are sometimes several stories high. So very, very impressive. And these plants often use both adhesion and cohesion, or they rely on those properties of water to move that water up against gravity. So the plants kind of help the water molecules by sticking to the sides of the cell. You see that here, that's adhesion, the water sticking to something else. And then additionally, the water molecules are also pulling on the other water molecules behind them. They're pulling them up and kind of, hey, stay in line, stay with me. And that's cohesion, where we have the water molecules pulling on each other. So they're stuck to the side of the plant's pulling them up, and then the water molecules also kind of help by pulling other water molecules behind them up against the flow of gravity to the very top of that tree. So that's cohesion and adhesion, and a really good example of both and how plants move water.